Waving hand sign. Today we are going to solve a very interesting train and bird puzzle using the concept of relative speed. This problem is very important for competitive exams, logical reasoning, quantitative aptitude, and interview puzzles. Let's start step by step. We are given distance between Hyderabad and Vijayawada is equal to 360 kilometers. Train 1 leaves Hyderabad at 6 am. Speed is equal to 60 kilometers per hour. Train 2 leaves Vijayawada at 7 am. Speed is equal to 90 kilometers per hour. Question 1. At what time do they meet? Question 2. How much distance does each train cover? Question 3. A bird flying at 120 kilometers per hour keeps moving between the trains. What total distance does it cover? Now let's solve it carefully. Step 1. First train travels alone. From 6 am to 7 am, only train 1 is moving. Time is equal to 1 hour. Speed is equal to 60 kilometers per hour. Distance covered is equal to 60 times 1 equals 60 kilometer. Now remaining distance between trains. 360 to 60 is equal to 300 kilometers. After 7 am, both trains move towards each other. Relative speed is equal to 60 plus 90 equals 150 km/h. Now we calculate time. Time is equal to distance relative speed is equal to 300/150 is equal to 2 hours. So they meet 2 hours after 7 am. Final answer. 7 am plus 2 hours is equal to 9 am. Heavy check mark. The trains meet at 9 am. Train from Hyderabad. It runs from 6 am to 9 am. Total time is equal to 3 hours. Distance is equal to 60 times 3 is equal to 180 kilometers. Train from Vijayawada. It runs from 7 am to 9 am. Total time is equal to 2 hours. Distance is equal to 90 times 2 is equal to 180 kilometers. Heavy check mark. Check. 180 plus 180 equals 360 kilometer. Correct. Now comes the interesting part. The bird starts flying at 6 am. Speed of bird is equal to 120 kilometers per hour. It keeps flying back and forth between trains until they meet. Important concept. We do not calculate each back and forth trip. Instead, we think smartly. The bird flies from 6 am to 9 am. Total time is equal to 3 hours. Distance is equal to speed times time is equal to 120 times 3 is equal to 360 kilometers. Heavy check mark. Final answer. The bird covers 360 kilometers. So today we learned. Heavy check mark. Meeting time is equal to 9 am. Heavy check mark. Each train covers 180 kilometers. Heavy check mark. Bird covers 360 kilometers. Main concept used. Relative speed. Smart thinking instead of complicated calculation.